Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Paddleball Balls is probably one of the most versatile and entertaining pieces of sporting equipment you can own, offering a fantastic way to improve hand-eye coordination, get some exercise, and have a blast whether you're playing solo or with friends. These simple yet effective toys have been a staple for outdoor fun for generations, providing an accessible and engaging activity for people of all ages and skill levels, making them a perfect addition to any park, beach, or backyard. Number 5. NIUPIPO USAPA approved carbon fiber hybrid pickleball paddles. Ready for serious competition? This pickleball paddle set has passed rigorous USAPA testing, making it officially approved for sanctioned tournament play. Equip yourself with champion-level gear that can handle any challenge on the court. Experience an upgraded playing surface with our advanced carbon fiber and fiberglass hybrid face. This design creates a significantly larger sweet spot and delivers easy power, making it forgiving and much easier to play for everyone. Inside, a durable polymer honeycomb core is perfectly sandwiched between the hybrid faces. This lightweight design offers the ideal stiffness for spinning the ball while maintaining a perfect balance between power and precise control. Enjoy comfort during long matches with our cushioned, perforated grip that efficiently absorbs sweat. Its ergonomic design ensures it fits perfectly in your hand for maximum maneuverability. Get everything you need to start playing immediately. This premium kit includes rackets, durable pickleballs, extra overgrips, and a convenient carrying bag. It's the ultimate gift set for players of all levels. What we like. This paddle is USAPA approved for tournament play, offering a competitive edge. Its hybrid carbon fiber face creates a large sweet spot for forgiving shots and easy power. If you're a serious player looking to elevate your game or compete in tournaments, this paddle is designed for you. What people say. The graphite face, with its textured surface, provided enough grip for effective topspin, sidespin, and backspin shots. The 13.5mm pph, polypropylene honeycomb, core produced a plush feel for decent control of my dinks, drops, and resets, without compromising the power and pop of my ground strokes, backhand flicks, and putaways. The leather-like grip around the octagonal handle is micro-perforated for sweat resistance, and feels very comfortable and cushiony in my hand. Number 4. JoncAye BLITZ Pickleball Paddles Set. Get everything you need for an amazing game of pickleball with this complete set. It includes paddles, balls for indoor and outdoor play, and a convenient bag for all your accessories. Take your game to the next level with paddles approved for tournament play. Each racket is manufactured to strict standards, ensuring quality and performance. Enjoy comfortable play with these lightweight paddles, weighing in at an optimal 8 ounces. The large sweet spot offers a great balance of power and control, perfect for all skill levels. Experience superior comfort and control with the cushioned, anti-slip grip. Extra grip tapes are included for long-lasting performance and a secure hold. Play your favorite game without disturbing the neighbors. The advanced core technology makes these paddles quieter than traditional ones, allowing for more enjoyable gameplay. What we like. This set is USAPA approved and features lightweight fiberglass paddles with a large sweet spot, making it great for all skill levels. The composite PP honeycomb core ensures quieter play, so you can enjoy the game without disturbing neighbors. If you're looking for a versatile set for family fun or intermediate play that's also considerate of noise levels, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The weight, balance, and size of these paddles are on par with similar, slightly more expensive paddles that claim to be carbon fiber or graphite and sell at about $40 each or $75 to $85 in a set. The play feels the same. The paddles, balls, bag, and accessories are all extremely high quality and feel well thought out rather than cheaply bundled. The paddles have a solid feel, the grips are comfortable, and everything arrived ready to play. Number 3. Botabee 6-pack beach paddle ball replacements. Experience the thrill of the game with these paddle ball replacements. Crafted for intense beach play, their durable design ensures they withstand rough use, keeping the fun going. Never miss a moment of fun due to water damage. These replacements are water-resistant and float, maintaining their shape and performance even during active use. Enjoy hours of entertainment with these colorful replacements. Their low-resilience design allows for controlled hits, perfect for casual games and honing your skills. These are designed to be a perfect fit for your existing paddle sets. They are compatible with beach paddle ball, smash ball, and similar games, including Kadima and Pro Kadima paddles. Achieve ideal control and accuracy with these perfectly sized replacements. Their lightweight design makes them easy to handle, enhancing your overall gameplay experience. Never lose sight of the ball again with this vibrant multicolor pack. Their high visibility ensures you can easily track them during play, adding to the enjoyment. What we like. These replacement balls are designed for intense beach play with a durable, waterproof, and floatable construction. Their high visibility and low resilience design make them perfect for casual games and skill building. If you need reliable, long-lasting balls for beach paddle games or compatible sets like Kadima, these are a fantastic option for endless fun. What people say. The balls are made of durable rubber, ensuring they can withstand frequent use without cracking or deforming. These balls have a consistent bounce, making them ideal for practice and casual play. The bright color of the balls makes them easy to spot, even in low light conditions. Number 2. NIUPIPO Fiberglass Pickleball Paddles Set. Introducing the NIUPIPO Pickleball Paddles, designed for players of all levels. Experience a perfect blend of power, control, and comfort on the court. These paddles are incredibly lightweight, weighing just 7.6 ounces. Their wide-body design and optimal dimensions make them ideal for community courts and leisure play, ensuring you're always ready for action. Constructed with an upgraded fiberglass face and a polypropylene honeycomb core, these paddles deliver more power with a satisfying pop. The advanced composition also absorbs shock for a quieter, more responsive game. Enjoy an expanded sweet spot for easier, more effective shots. The ergonomic grip, designed for superior comfort and control, mimics real leather for a secure and pleasant feel during long play sessions. The ultra-comfortable padded grip features moisture-wicking, non-slip fabric. This enhances comfort and allows for greater flexibility in your wrist and hand movements, providing extra comfort with every shot. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to start playing right away. You'll receive 2 paddles, pickleball balls for indoor and outdoor play, a convenient carry bag, and grip tapes. What we like. This paddle set is USAPA approved and features a fiberglass face for more power and a polypropylene honeycomb core for quieter play. It offers a larger-than-average sweet spot and an ergonomic grip for comfort. If you're a beginner or intermediate player seeking a comfortable, forgiving, and quieter paddle experience for recreational play, this set is ideal. What people say. Each paddle weighs around 7.6 to 8 ounces, making them easy to swing and great for long rallies without tiring your wrist or shoulder. The cushioned, sweat-absorbent grip feels comfortable even during extended play. These paddles meet official USA Pickleball Association standards, so they're suitable for sanctioned matches and recreational play alike, great for leagues or tournaments. With a fiberglass surface and polypropylene honeycomb core, the paddles offer a nice blend of power and control. They provide good responsiveness and reduce vibration upon impact, which helps with both powerful shots and soft dinks. Number 1. Navaris Wooden Beach Rackets Set. Bring this fun beach paddle game on your next summer outing or vacation. It's a great 2-person game for both kids and adults to enjoy together. Made of solid wood, you will feel the quality of the racket in your hand. Grip tape wraps the handle for a superior hold, and no plastic is used in its construction. In the delivery, you will be supplied with 2 wooden rackets and 2 balls. The balls have different weights so you can use the heavier one on windier days. Each racket is coated with a special polyurethane varnish to protect the wood from seawater spray and moisture. The surface will remain protected for many seasons and games to come. Originally from the beaches of Brazil, this outdoor game is now played all over the world. It's the perfect activity for picnics, parties, and sandy summer days. What we like. Crafted from solid wood with a water-resistant varnish, these rackets offer a premium feel and durability for outdoor play. They come with grip tape for a superior hold and include 2 balls of different weights for varying conditions. If you're looking for a classic, fun, and durable paddle game for the beach, park, or garden, especially for a 2-person experience, this set is a perfect choice. What people say. It is lightweight and the wood seems to be of good quality. It does come with 2 different types of balls. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.